Here's a quick guide to activating Hey Siri on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app. Scroll down a little and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Under the Siri Request section, tap on Talk and Type to Siri. Here you will see three options. Choose Siri and Hey Siri, Siri only, or Hey Siri only. If one of them is already selected but Siri is not working, switch it to off first, then select any one of the options again. Your iPhone will show the Siri setup screen. Continue with the setup option. Say Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now your Siri is ready. Your iPhone will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of your request. Tap on Done. Alternatively, you can use the side button for Siri. Enable the Press Side button for Siri toggle and activate Siri by pressing and holding the button on the right side of your iPhone. You can also enable Type to Siri. Then, double-tap the bottom edge of your iPhone to start typing or talking to Siri, as shown on my iPhone screen. That's it. Please like this video to support my channel and subscribe for new video updates.